Hello, I'm Nicholas Fairfax, the 14th Lord Fairfax of Cameron. Last year, my wife Annabelle and I enjoyed participating in Fairfax County's 275th anniversary celebrations. This year in September, I'll return to Fairfax County to lead a multi-day motorcycle charity ride exploring the boundary of the original Fairfax land grant dating back to 1649. On the 22nd September, we'll kick off the ride from Patriot Harley-Davidson in the city of Fairfax. There are 3 ride options available. The first one is a one-day ride with Fairfax Stone in West Virginia and back again. The second, a 2-day option with a ride to the Fairfax Stone and overnight in the area and return. And the most exciting ride, and the one I'll be leading, is a 4-day ride that follows the entire boundary of the original Fairfax land grant, with overnight stays at Blackwater Falls State Park in West Virginia, Big Meadows campgrounds on Skyline Drive, and at Westmoreland State Park on the Northern Neck. The ride is open to both motorcycles and cars. For further details and registration, and to donate to one of the charities we're supporting, visit our website, lordfairfaxride.org, and I look forward to seeing you in September.